It's the battle of the beauty boxes. If you want to see if either BeautyFix or Allure is the best this month, they're both pretty light. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy here is Bandit, looking so handsome. And Chloe is off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So typically, most months, I do Allure versus BeautyFix. So I didn't do that, I think, maybe a couple months ago. And then November's just sat around, and I think I did those two and Birchbox together. But this month I got them both in at the same time, so we're going to do them together. They're both really, really light this month, so either they're really heavy with makeup or really heavy with deluxe samples. I don't know. So we have a little catalog that goes with it, or whatever flyer, and they always send an ad about some other stuff they have going on. And here is your sneak peek. So let's see what we have. I'm going to need glasses for this because I can't read without them. I do see a big Grown Alchemist in here, but the first thing is a choice item. So every now and then they have a choice item, and it was the choice of colors. So this is the Miracuya Juicy Lip Cream by Tarte. I chose the mauve color. Does it say what the color choices were? No, it doesn't. Here's pictures of what the different color choices were. And this is a $26 value. So right there, that's the whole entire box. So it's like you bought this and got everything else for free. Beautiful, goes on so creamy. Next, by Grown Alchemist, we have their Hydro Restore Day Cream, and this is a full size. It's valued at $50. All right, their stuff always comes in a metal tube, so they do, the only thing plastic is the cap on here. It does have a little poke hole, so usually with the Grown Alchemist products, you have to use the little poke hole to open that up. So whenever I get one that's already open, I think that's a little sketch, but this one was fine. It says it sinks in quickly, so it's easy to blend over your skin and doesn't leave a tacky or sticky finish. And it has grapeseed and jojoba seed oils. Next, by Pomade, we have the Renewing Hand Serum. I love their hand creams. This is their signature scent, and let's see if it tells us what it is. This is a $42 value, and it has vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, and tons of oils such as safflower, jojoba seed, lavender, rosemary, and more. So I'm sure this is going to kind of have that lavender and rosemary type scent. Oh, now that's, I have this at home and it doesn't come out clear like that. Yes, yeah, it does have that nice herby scent with the lavender and rosemary. Very nice. All right, next we have a sample size of the Sephora Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. And this has 7% vitamin C and vitamin E. This is 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces, so just a tiny guy. The full size of 30 milliliters is $21. Next, by Innisfree, we have their Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen. This is 10 milliliters, so this is a deluxe sample. The full size of 50 milliliters retails for $22. All right, so there's this little guy right here. And it protects against UV rays It protects against UV rays. And the last thing in here is by Maria Nila, and it's the True Soft Argan Oil. This is, what size is this? 30 milliliters. The full size of 100 milliliters retails for $39.90. So this is for your hair. And it says it's the antidote to dull, staticky winter hair. It's got argan and rapeseed oils, and it's light yet moisturizing. It forms a superfine fizz protective coating, and it makes your hair smoother and shinier. All right, okay, box. I love the Tarte product in here, absolutely. And the Grown Alchemist, that's a very nice product, very pricey. Let's see what Dermstore has for us. All right, there we go, hand in hand. Now this doesn't have anything to tell you about the prices, but this has a Miraculous Juicy Plumping Oil in the shade Miraculous Juicy, I guess. That's what it says on the front there. And you know I love a plumper. And look at this, it's got this little soft tip right here. Isn't that cool? Nice. All right. All right, so I put a little bit over the other color, and they do go really nicely together. This is almost like a very light, almost sheer pink. It goes really nicely with that other Tarte product. Next, by Ico, we have the Limitless Mascara. And by Verso is their Super C Serum with Vitamin C. Now this is a pricey brand, and what does it say? It just says a facial serum with vitamin C for radiant and healthy looking appearance. Okay. This is their number 4. They all have numbers on them. I guess that's like the order you should do them, but like I don't have that many Verso products. There we go. All right, so those are our full size. Now we have some samples. The first thing we have by Vacation is their Chardonnay oil. It's a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and it is clean, lightweight, and refreshing. And this is 1 ounce. Then by Jan Marini, we have the Bioglycolic Face Cleanser, and this is 15 milliliters. And I believe I've gotten this before, and I quite liked it. I quite enjoyed it. And then last by SkinCeuticals is the AGE Advanced Eye Potent Cream. It visibly smooths crow's feet, reduces the appearance of puffiness, and brightens dark circles impacted by glycation and collagen decline. And this is a 4 milliliter sample. This is a very expensive brand. I think I have like 1 full-size thing that I got in an advent calendar. But here we go, and this is filled to about here. So all of this is empty. I mean, it's gonna have 4 milliliters in there, but you got all this air too. So there is less than you're gonna think. But again, it's for eyes, so you're probably gonna get a good, maybe week's worth out of it. All right, so which was my favorite? I feel like they're kind of both pretty similar this month. Hard to pick a favorite. They both had 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. So pretty neck and neck with products, pretty similar types of products. And I don't know, I like, these are like my 2 favorite products, the hand cream and the Tarte in that one. In this one, it is definitely this and probably that Verso Vitamin C. Although all the products are nice. So I think I'm going to go with the BeautyFix because it has the lip plumper, and I love a lip plumper. But let me know your thoughts. So what was your favorite box? Which box, at least, would you say was the winner for you? All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.